All right, I wanted to make one more video about online classes. So you all know that I work online and I also work at studios. And for those who don't know, I'm hoping by the end of this year, if not next year, to have the retreat set up in Arizona. So this has been years coming, but money doesn't grow on trees, and I'm not doing a fundraising thing. So you know, this is definitely from the earth, just bringing it up, So at some point by the end of this year or next year will be the retreat center in Arizona. And I'll give more detail about that later on. But because we're in this whole quarantine and so on, and I don't know where it's going to go, but I'm hoping that some of the places I work can stay open so that people can come out and meditate and practice and so on. Who knows? But going online is what a lot of people are doing, which of course I saw that coming anyway, because that's what I do. So I'll be having some online classes. So if you have any ideas of topics that you want to do, I already know what I want to share and post on the EFT tapping. I'll have the camera back there and I'll be doing my yoga. What else? Just talking about health and wellness would be another topic that I'll be doing, and some other things that I've been working on and studying behind the scenes and just learning more about. Hopefully I'll have some live and guest spot. This video I'm going to put up on the YouTube channel and touch my face on the YouTube channel, and I'm hoping to get some more subscribers. That way I can go live on Chi Life Center, and that's pretty fun. I think YouTube requires like 1,000 subscribers to go live. So hopefully, you guys click like and share this video, so that way I can go live on the channel. Okay, and I do want to get the word out from now about the retreat center. Anyone that wants to host events out there can do it in Arizona. I think the location is maybe an hour or an hour and a half from Sedona. So not a long drive, not too long. I mean, if you want something, it's going to be just beautiful. You can see the night stars. So yeah, I'm encouraged to make trips out there and build a what is that called? A yurt? I always say it wrong. I know what it is, but I was like, no, I don't want to do that. I want it to be a building that I could close up if I'm not there, and yeah. So, and the whole complication of building something, you have to make it the structure building first. Like all of these little details you learn, rules that these men make. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, so it should be beautiful when that time happens. But everything in its right time is what the old folks would say, and I never liked that saying, but as I grow, I understand that nothing happens before its time. And I feel like the tortoise, just moving forward, and in its own time, when the race, everyone has their own life path and race. I don't like the word race as in a negative sense, but in a positive sense. You're walking your own path, and sometimes you walk and sometimes you run, but you get to where you're going for yourself, and it has nothing to do with anyone else. But I'm a blessing to myself, and I can be a blessing to someone else. So we all have our own shell to carry, So yeah, more online classes. And that way you're in the comfort of your home, and I'll put the videos up on here, and it's a debate between having it on Facebook or on here, but I really want to grow the YouTube channel. I love this platform. And it's funny, when I first heard of it back in 2007, my kids were like, oh, you gotta see this kid. He's home alone. And it was all like this skit, and that was my first introduction to YouTube, and look how big it is now. But yeah, so, you know, subscribe, and if you're on the YouTube channel and you're not on Facebook, or if you have a Facebook account, because some people are not on Facebook, then I'll definitely be going live on there a lot, and I'll also be having videos on here as well. So anyway, everyone stay safe, stay healthy, get your teas, your herbs. That's good for building the immune system. I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna like Reiki this and then open it up and get the required drops. You know, 3 to 12 squirts per day. I gotta remove the tag. Yeah. See, I would have put the tag at the very top up here so that I wouldn't have to peel it off here. That's just me though. I'm checking out the dates. When you work at a store, you know how to read these labels. 3/13. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just sending out a lot of love and positivity to everyone that is experiencing what we're going through right now. And, yeah, we can only do the best that we can. But join me online. And even when we're out of this quarantine, keep watching. All right? So everyone be well, and I'll see you. Peace.